Hi, this is Deborah at the Labyrinth, and I'd like to do a little video about stones, just an overview on what they are, what they can do, and how to use them. Because there's a lot of misinformation out there. Some people on the internet think that if you just pick up a stone, it's going to magically change everything for you. No, it isn't. So I want to go over, first of all, the stones themselves. Now, there's several types of stones as far as consistency of the shape. Now, these are called tumbled stones, or polished stones. These are actually raw stones, like out of the ground, where they put them in a tumbler, which is a round thing, and then it's got water in it, and it's got sand, and it spins around, and it eventually makes it smooth, so it doesn't have rough edges. And I'll get to each individual stone in a minute. This is called a rough stone. So this is a stone that was taken out of the ground, hit with a hammer, and now here's a piece of it, right? That's rough. It's not polished. Then this is a point. Now, the point we see has a rough end to it, but it's actually been like carved. You see? It's actually been carved. I don't know if you can see that. Carved, like someone took a knife and sliced it into a point. So this is called a point, or it's called a point. Even if you find it on a pendant, it's still a point. So that's like the type of stone as far as shape. Now I'm going to get into the stones themselves. So say you wanted to, you pick up a stone like I did today. I picked up two stones. I picked up a serpentine and a fluorite. Okay, so I'm going to lead you through the process of what to do. The first thing you got to do is you got to look up and see the quality of the stone you chose. So you have to know the name of the stone, right? And then you have to look it up. Now this book is out of print. This is Melody in the Earth. You can't get it anymore. She's dead. You can't. It probably costs you hundreds and hundreds online. But anyway, ignore the phone. I'm at the store. Sorry, can't get the phone. So serpentine, that's this. It has to do with, let's see, it opens up the crown chakra, clears clouded areas of the chakra, stimulates the crown chakra, and it's an excellent stone for meditative state. Nice, right? Meditative state. So I'm looking at what quality do I want to bring into myself? What quality? So I'm going to pick meditative state. Okay, so remember that, meditative state. And remember, only pick one quality. Don't say all, because you're only going to be working with one quality at a time. Then we're going to look up the fluorite. And this is the fluorite. It's like a purpley greenish kind of stone that you can almost see through. This is pretty solid. The serpentine is like a light green. So the fluorite, let's see what the fluorite is. It can inspire energy to activate the energy centers of the body. It also encourages good health. Intellect, emotional well-being, purification, cleaning, elimination of whatever is in disorder. That's like the toilet bowl blowing up in your face kind of thing, it has to come to the surface before you get rid of it. We're not going to go with that one, no. So we're going with a meditative state, and then this one I'm going to use for, let's see, health. That's good. So now what I'm going to do, and there's also people saying, well, the right hand is to receive, the left hand is to send, or the left hand is to receive, and the right hand is to send. In this case, no. If you are right-handed, you can send energy out with the right hand, but we're not sending energy out. We're absorbing energy, okay? So what we're going to do first, I got one in each hand, fluorite for health, and then I've got the serpentine for meditation. So that's a no-brainer for me. I'm going to ground, connect, and protect with the intent that everything will disperse when I get off the chair, okay? I already said that in my head. I already did it. It's done. So this is to enhance a meditative state, and this is for health. Now, I'm going to keep my eyes open, but normally when you're doing this, you would close your eyes for a moment. And now that you're connected and protected, you want to envision yourself in optimal health. In this case, for this stone. Remember, I'm going for the quality of good health. So right now, I have an ailment with my eye. I need my carotid artery scraped out. My left foot goes numb. Oh yeah, I got a cataract going on there. I'm losing hearing out of left ear. That's really not bad enough. It's like I'm real tired, so I want to have some more pep and energy. So I'm going to picture myself like as if I was 50. More energy, right? So now I'm going to take my mind and I'm going to put it in a meditative state with my eyes open. I want you to keep your eyes closed, okay? I'm already there. Okay, now I'm going to picture myself being healthy, having lots of energy, walking down the street, okay? Taking nice big breaths of air as I walk, not feeling tired, not wanting to take a nap. feeling energized. Walking up and down the stairs, no problem whatsoever. These are the things that I'm envisioning in my mind because this has to do with good health. And so now I did it. It's done. So what I wanted to show you is the internal workings and how to use stones. In my case, it was for health. So I had to see myself, okay, what's wrong with me? And now what do I want it to be? You don't care how it gets there. It's not up to you. This is universal energy. It's energy that you're connecting with the stone to help you get into a meditative state to bring that energy to you. So in my case, it was health. I wanted to see myself healthier, so I pictured myself in better health. This already helped me go into a deeper meditative state with this. In case of, say, you have anxiety or you feel stressed or your mind can't stop spinning, you would imagine yourself in that case, if you're going to use this, of sitting with your eyes closed in a deep meditative state and being totally relaxed and receptive. Then you would go with bringing in the health thing. You see, I really didn't need to do this in my head because I could do it with my eyes open, but I showed you how to do this first, and then I told you how to use them both. So this is how to use stones. It doesn't matter if they're polished, raw, or point. You're going to look at the quality of the stone, of what qualities it has. And then you're going to connect with that. And then you're going to use that to have a result. So it's called work, people. You just can't go on the internet and get a stone and voila, you know, you're 6 foot tall and you lost 40 pounds. It's not going to work that way. So research your stones. I would not use an online source because that's a pain in the ass, okay? Get a book. Get a decent book. There are many decent books out there on stones that you can learn the qualities. Each stone has many different qualities to help on the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual levels. So do your research and just get 1 or 2 at a time. Think about, okay, what do I want to bring into my life or repel from it? In my case, I wanted to repel bad health. I wanted to bring in healthy energy for my health, you see. So you have to look at what your need is, or look at, say that if you're drawn to something, just it catches your eye. Look it up, and 9 times out of 10, it'll be something that you needed. That's a way to pick a stone. A lot of people don't, oh, what do I pick? I don't know, right? Just go over and see what calls to you. See what catches your eye. See what you're attracted to. Pick it up. Now, with time, you will be able to actually feel the energy of the stone. That's going to take some time. It's not going to happen overnight. So don't even go for that goal. It'll happen anyway when it's going to. Just go for the quality and it will work. Doesn't matter if you feel the stone or not. And that's about it. Leave your comments, suggestions below. Let me know how you work with stones. You might do something different. That's the way I've done it, and it seems to work. So it might help the newbies out there. But don't go online and think a stone's going to change your life and make you like Prince Charming and all that stuff. It's not going to happen. Stay away from the Moldavite. Don't get that online. Don't do it. Not online. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.